Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Azima. I'm results. I'm going to make chicken overloaded box pastries. To begin with the recipe, we are going to add the mayonnaise in a bowl. We are making the mixture to be filled in the box patties. After adding mayonnaise, we'll add curd. Now we'll mix the curd and the mayonnaise mixture very well until it combines it together. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. With ginger garlic paste, we'll add black pepper 1 tablespoon. Let's add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce in it. The next step is to combine all the ingredients with mayonnaise and curd until it is smooth. Add salt in it as per your taste. Now once again we'll combine it. We'll mix smoothly. Then we have some chopped green chilies. We'll add in it. Then we'll add some carrot which is grated. Then I have some boiled chicken. I will add in it. Let's mix this. And now the last step for the filling is to add some coriander leaves which enhances the smell. So let's move on to the next process. The next process is to make our samosa patties, that is the samosa box patties. To make it, first we need, so now we'll take some maida flour in a bowl and we'll add water and we'll make it as a paste. This is used to cover our samosa patties. Then we'll keep it aside and we'll take our samosa sheet in a horizontal way and another layer as in a vertical way. Then what we'll do is we'll add our maida paste in a horizontal sheet so that we can make a plus sign in the patti. This is how we make it. Then we'll add our filling in the samosa patties. We'll add our chicken filling in it. We'll not add much filling in it because it should not leak out. Then we'll take our maida paste and then we'll apply in our sheet, and this is how we should fold. This is what the way we should fold our patties, the sheets. We should do the same process for all the box patties. So this is done. This is in a square shape which we can also say it as a box shape. So yes, alhamdulillah, I am done with all my chicken box pastries. So let's move on into the next step. So let's move on to the next process, that is the coating process. We have maida flour, plain maida flour, then corn flour mixture that is mixed with water. Then I have the breadcrumbs. Then we have our chicken patties. So let's begin. So I will add black pepper powder in the plain flour which enhances our coating. We'll mix it well. So we'll take our chicken filled patties and we'll coat it with plain maida flour. Then we will dip it in our corn flour mixture, and then we'll add it on in the breadcrumbs. We'll coat it very well without any space. So our final step is to fry. So let's fry them. So let's heat the oil. We'll wait until the oil is heated. Then we'll add our box patties. So now we'll add our patties in a hot oil and we'll fry them until it is golden brown.
Basta ito? Yan.
So yes, our crispy chicken box patties are ready. Serve it with tomato sauce and enjoy. Let me know how was the recipe. This looks so tasty and amazing. Actually, this is delicious. It is completely recommended all of you to try this. Thank you. This is